welcome.
I am so delighted that you're here. If you could see my heart smiling, it would go from sea to shining sea.
I'm from Phoenix. I'm from 18th Street and Chipman, around the corner from the mini park, South Phoenix. This is my home. I feel like Arizona is my Garden of Eden. Everything I've ever wanted, God has put it here for me to have.
And we as a church are just extremely delighted by this partnership between Arizona State University and Pilgrim Rest. And what God has joined together, let not man pull asunder.
I am here to give the welcome. And I looked up the word welcome. And one of the definitions way down of the word welcome was to make room. America is the land that makes room.
When I was a little boy in church, whenever they would give a welcome, they would end by saying, "You're welcome once, you're welcome twice, you're welcome, welcome, welcome."